Hi, today I'm going to be going over arc length. You might say, well, why do I care about arc length? Well, it's a very, very common topic on the SAT and the ACT, and it shows up a lot in geometry. It basically involves us having a bit of a portion of a circle, which we call an arc. And arcs have angles, and they have lengths. Now, the technical term for this is an arc length, an arc angle, or subtended angle. Now, say, and this is a very common problem, we were asked to find the arc length. What would we do? This length right here is part of a circle, but it doesn't make a circle on its own. How can we find this? How can we solve this? Well, the answer comes in the form of a pretty simple ratio, right? The arc length to the circumference is equal to the angle, which I'm just going to call x, over 360 degrees, right? And so then finding the arc length is actually pretty simple. So let's say, just for this case, that this angle was 10 and the circumference of the circle was 18 pi, right? What would be our arc length? Well, we would have a over 18 pi is equal to x over 360 is equal to, 10 over 360. I'm going to multiply both sides by 18 pi, so I get my arc length all by itself. And I get a is equal to 1/2 pi. And that is my arc length. It's nice, it's easy, and it's simple. So remember, whenever you're solving arc length, or whenever you have to find arc length, just remember the ratio. Arc length over circumference equals your arc angle, or your subtended angle, over 360. Or if your arc angle's in radians, arc angle over 2 pi. Because 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. And you might be asking, just out of curiosity, why does this relationship exist? Well, if you think about it, if you have the same chunk of the circle, the same arc, well, the proportion of that arc's angle to the entirety of the circle's angle, which is 360, is going to be the same as the portion of that arc's outside length to the entirety of that circle's outside length, which is the circumference. And that's all you need to know about arc length. I hope you like this, and I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day.